the Vice President should be as prepared as the President. Should anything happen to him, who assumes the responsibility? It's the Vice President.
May mahalagang papel ang Vice Presidente sa bansa. Ito ang binigyang diin ni Office of the Vice President Spokesperson, Attorney Ruth Castelo, sa pagtukoy sa pangalawang Pangulo bilang spare tire. Aniya, ang Vice Presidente ang pangalawang pinakamataas na opisyal ng gobyerno, kaya dapat ay kasing handa ito ng Pangulo ng bansa.
Binigyang diin ni Attorney Castelo na ang mandato ng pangalawang Pangulo ay kapareho rin ng mandato ng Presidente, kung saan ang lahat ng nakalahat sa 1987 Constitution ng Pilipinas na tungkulin ng Pangulo ay itinuturing ding tungkulin ng Vice Presidente.
She is technically the assistant, or when the President is absent, she takes over because she's the Vice President. And the services that are now being delivered by the Vice President through her office is a way of preparing herself just in case anything happens from now until 2028.
Dagdag pa ng tagapagsalita ng OVP, kailangan ng bansa ang isang Vice Presidente na laging handang umako sa mga responsibilidad ng Pangulo kung sakaling may mangyari at kailangan ng umupo sa pagkapangulo. Kaya ang hindi pagsuporta rito ay maituturing na isang malaking pagkukulang.
Whoever the Vice President is, keeping her out of the loop or not being able to provide funds for her projects and programs, not being able to support the Vice President is a great disservice to the country. We cannot give her a lot of time to study and allow her to go with the learning curve, how long it is going to take, we don't know. We cannot. We need a Vice President who is always ready to assume.
Samantala, umabot na sa 34% ang budget utilization rate ng OVP sa unang kalahati ng taong 2025. Ayon kay Attorney Castelo, nilalayon nilang magamit ang buong pondo sa lahat ng proyekto ng kanilang tanggapan.
We're just being careful, but we intend to use up the entire budget that is allotted to us for 2025. We're already on the 34% utilization rate, but we still have time, and we understand that we need to speed up utilizing the funds, but we also do not want to carelessly utilize the funds. So we are being very careful so as not to open any issue that may be thrown against us.
Nauna nang nabawasan ang budget ng OVP ngayong taon, matapos questionin ng mga mambabatas ang paggamit nito ng pondo sa mga nagdaang taon. Jedne Resina, UNTV News and Rescue. Diyos ang aming sandigan, serbisyo publiko ang aming pinahahalagahan.